Beat the heat. Discover top summer cooling hacks. As temperatures soar, we're diving into simple yet effective ways to keep cool. These tips are easy to implement and perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a comfortable summer. Stay tuned to chill out your summer. First up, stay hydrated. It's crucial to drink plenty of water to help regulate your body temperature. Carry a reusable water bottle and consider infusing it with lemon, lime, or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Keep that water coming and feel the cool from within. Next, let's talk attire. Opt for loose, light-colored outfits crafted from natural fabrics such as cotton or linen. These choices are not just stylish but practical, allowing your skin to breathe and effectively reflecting sunlight. Dress smart, stay cool. Now let's spin into cooling tech. Oscillating fans are a delightful breeze on a hot day. Try placing a bowl of ice in front of one to mimic an air conditioner. Or set your ceiling fan counterclockwise to thrust hot air up. Fan your way to coolness. Timing is everything. To dodge the blistering sun, aim for early mornings or late evenings for your outdoor fun. When the midday heat peaks, steer clear of the stove. Try grilling outside or whip up a refreshing cold dish. Plan smart, beat the heat. Let's do a quick recap. Keep yourself hydrated, choose your wardrobe wisely, get innovative with fans, and plan your activities when the sun's less fierce. Use these tips to make your summer a breeze. Implement these hacks and keep your cool all summer long. Thanks for watching.